Hi guys, hello. We are going to talk about the SSD. Actually, I bought one SSD, small SSD. That was the Samsung T5. It's a 500 GB SSD. It is very small and very compact. Before, everybody was using the hard disk. So hard disk was very big and bulky disk. So it was moving and it was very easy to damage. So you know that there are a lot of times when our computer stuck or any damage, then our all the data removed and we can't get back the data back. Nowadays, this is a very compact thing is available and it is very compact. Your data will be stay longer and it is very strong. It is very hard. So it will drop also. It is not a problem because I already dropped 2-3 times, but still it is working. So I wanted to show you how we can use this SSD as a data storage, and we want to send the data to the computer to the SSD, and after that we can use the mobile also. So sometimes we are traveling and sometimes the network problem and Wi-Fi problem. So sometimes we are traveling, but it is very hard for us to watch the movie or anything. So we can use this in the traveling time, in the train or anywhere. They are coming from the C type to A type and C type to C type. So in the mobile we can use this one with the C type and this part we can use the mobile, and after that all the data and the movie what we have here, this one we can use in the mobile, and we can watch the movie, and it is very fast. There is no lagging, there is no buffering. It's very easy. I hope you like my video, and please stay. We are going to the screen and we can see how we can transfer the data to mobile to the SSD, and the computer to SSD, and SSD to computer, and SSD to the mobile. But I know that you know all this thing, but there are a few people who don't know, so I'm making this video for them. So I wanted to give a nice tutorial how to transfer the data from SSD to the computer and SSD to the mobile, and mobile SSD and computer to SSD. So let's go to the screen. Now I'm connecting my mobile to the SSDC, and you can see that one icon is coming the top of my screen, and after that I'm going to the file manager, and then you can see that there is one file that one I wanted to send. So I will click that one, and after that I will come to this SSD. All the file is here, and then this one I want to send to the SSD. So I will click that one to just click and hold. So it will select now, and after that you can see that down is all the option, but I will move now. So I will put the move, and then it will come to the USB drive here, and this one down we can paste, and then after that you can see that it is downloading now. The file is almost downloaded, and okay, and now you can see we will go down. The file is already here down. So this is the thing, and we will click that one. Then you can see the video. My one video is playing now. It was the same file, and then we will come back now in the screen. So now you understand how easily we can use the SSD, and from SSD to computer to SSD, and it is very compact. I hope you like this video, and it is very easy, and if you afford, I think it is a very nice thing to use and travel. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please subscribe.